Kaniga diga Doordarshan Meghalaya but nipidiyang sngobhaya pib barok ki parlok nongpet siya katup kubor minta ka janmiet. Haswabangin poy siya ki kubor bamniya nginyapet shwa yakimat pakongsan. Binti kena Menteri Rangba Kajala u Konrad K. Sangma hakamat kayeng dorbar thawan Kajala panpin klanya kadukam trekam ke cyber security haringkat ke jingbu ke disaster recovery site na kabenta katinat ki kampla tingka jong ka sarkar. Lakren halor ke jing pinkre ya ki kinhon SF10 but ke jingkir ki jinglet jingsep pan pahara ya ki VIP hayeng dorbar thawan Kajala. Wan Thai Biang ka Jinglong Jingman ha Meghalaya Kumbal Julong ong umentri katinat ki kampo yeng bat pinti kena yakinong jungok kai bakalong shangai banwan sha Meghalaya. But wan ai jing kershan ka United Nation Lord ka jing shakta ka Nepal na ka jing jashlay kinsan kabala wanra ya ka jing ja rangai daki hajar ngat kibrio. Mentang in pai shaki kubor na kaleng Kajala. Menteri Rangba Kajala u Konrad K. Sangma ula pentik na hakamat kayeng dorbar thawan Kajala baka sarkar kalashim ya baro ki senjam ban pinklan ya ki jing trekam ka cyber security bat kadang pinkre ru ya ka disaster recovery site na kabenta ki application jong katanat ki kampla tingka. Ya kani ka jingkali labo da unong yalam na kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma hakaba ula panjing penshay halor ka jing dawaban Kampen baha yaki computer network bat ka rukam siyo pisa hakabaya day bat ka e-billing, e-voucher, bat ka e-sanction. Menteri Rangba Kajala ulaong baka jingdawa baminta kalong bantiet yaki tiar hardware Henry ulaong ru ba nakalyang ka sarkar kanyay beteng ban pinklan ika jing trekam ka cyber security kanang bakanla bante lakam yaki kam letok ki bami lingba ka artificial intelligence.
Supplementary demand is specifically for the hardware section, sir. So therefore, this is going to be procurement of desktop computers. This is going to be for printers, scanners, and administrative departments. So therefore, this is going to be done more for the hardware point of view, sir. Therefore, the exact aspect of all the points mentioned by LO in terms of having a very strong malware and a system that is very robust obviously is a process that will continue, and the upgradation of the safety and security systems will continue, sir. Even now, in all the e-proposal systems that we have, there is a very, very robust system in which we run. But even the most robust
Kidukot na kalyang persya kibakintup yu Dr. Mukul Sangma badu Emily Kamaulay uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang kilapan jingpin shay na kayeng dorbar halor ka jingpin kre yakipulit hakajala kakamram jang kikunhun SF10 bat ka jinglut jingsep hakabayade bat ka jing pahara yaki VIP. Kidukot na kalyang persya kila ay jingmutru baday ban pinklan ya karukam ay training ya kikinhon SF10 bat ban perking baha halor karukam ay jing pahara ya ki VIP. Haba jubab ya kani ka jingkali usimbot Menteri Rangba Kajala babat ya katanat ki kampo yeng uba Preston tensong ulayat ho bakumba khandai spa iwengot ki kinhon SF10 ki dangtre ban ya kun persya ya ki leno bat ban pinne pensa ya ka syongsuk syongsan hakajala. Hakaba laay ya ka jinghikay pat ka training nakapor syakapor. Ulayat ho ru baha usnem 8,800 arpuhunriw lapindan kam kumba 1,000 sauspa lay paungut ki pulit ban pahara ya ka let kawan jong ki VIP bat ki VVIP kat kum ki kendon SOP balabuo. kam hadien laweng no yakani ka jingkali hakaba kidokot nakaliang persya kila ai khuble yaki pulit ka Meghalaya halor ka jingyo pediang ka jongki ya ka khusnam police kala award na kabenta kari.
If it was not election time, it wouldn't happen. Because Dr. Mukul knew where these guys were staying. I spoke to the DGP, saying that they have already come there. Go as per what we are supposed to do. Because during our time, if any of them have reached any village, the SOP was that they must not be able to sleep. Our people must reach. They must not be able to eat so that they run. So when they can't sleep, when they can't have food, they remember mother and father and come back when you give the opportunity. And that is what happened.
After the detailed discussion, treadmill discussion, and also after seeing the entire security scenario as I mentioned here in the state, therefore, ultimately we decided to come down. However, the training that has been given to the SF-10 is more or less the same. And not only that, even the nature of duties that they have, still we are continuing, sir.
Umentri bakmi iki kampo yeng kajala upa Preston tensong menta kasni ulaong ba kajinglong jingman ha kajala menta kalawan pai biang kumba kajulong panpenti kana yakinong jingok kai ba kajala Meghalaya kalong kabasngan bakinwan kai habayak ren bat kilat patay kubor upa Preston tensong ulaong ba kasorkar kalashim yakisin jam banwanra biang yakasuk kasan hadin kijingja jingklumar bat huri hura badangshen hakikatu katni kibenta hapo kajala ulaong ba kajinglong jingman menta kalawan pai biang kumba julong ban kintu yakinong wan jingok kai bakimde bandon kajing artatien banwan kai sha kajala Meghalaya halor ki eja har bala mudoy persya ikidokot kaseng KSU Guwahati halor ka jingja sya pinjulor ki kali kibana Assam uba tensong ulaong bala yo pediang yakijing ujor na baro arliang mamla pat yakani kamat lapinlong jing toket kat kum kaan.
We have already instructed all the concerned district administration to be more alert and to make sure that the tourists coming in or going out from our state are safe and they enjoy the the beauty of Shillong or the beauty of Meghalaya, and when they go back it will be memorable for them. And taking into consideration about all these issues, I would like to personally encourage those tourists who intended to come down to Meghalaya, to Shillong especially. You feel free to come, and then we have already put in place all the safety mechanisms.
Unong yalam na kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma mentakasngi ulapan jing pensyay na kasorkar Meghalaya halor ka jing yakhi bala penlong daki muktiar hapo kashatri jong ka High Court Bar Association pat Shillong Bar Association. Habawan ra yakani ka jing kali hakamat kayeng dorbar tauan hajala u Dr. Mukul ulaong ba ukwa bantip halor ki sinjam baka sorkar kalashim hakabaya day bat kajing dawa jong ki muktiar na kaleng kajala panpa weng no ya Advocate General u Amit Kumar. Habajubab yakani kajing kali u Conrad Sangma ulaong bakani kamat kadon hapo kajing bishar jong kayeng kashari hakaba yakani kamukot duma lashim bishar da ka kashari Meghalaya High Court. Umukul Sangma ulabu jing kalibyang bakumno kani kamat kadon hapo kajing bishar kayeng kashari Henry nakalyang umintri rangba kajala ulaong ba omdan ya baro kijing tip kiba kambnya Henry ula shupentip bakani kamat kadon hapo kajing bishar kayeng kashari nakalyang u Dr. Mukul ulakin tuya ka sorkar bakan syangkya halor kani kajing dawa balabu daki muktiar nakaleng kajala.
To ensure, therefore, in view of these issues flagged by these all the bar associations, it refers that the High Court of Meghalaya Bar Association and the Shillong Bar Association, also other members of these legal luminaries across the state joining in this particular rather coming together to draw the attention of the government pertaining to their demands and to resolve the grievances. So it is a convention and practice and expected from the government that when such issues do confront the state, then if the House is in session, under Rule 55, we usually are given kind of information.
The matter that is currently there, the matter is sub judice. There are cases that are going on in High Court. So it would be inappropriate for us to anyway make a statement. But as I said, sir, the House discusses many things, and in many ways we are able to take out. Last time I had mentioned about the law and order, I did a statement because that was of great importance. This also is important, sir, but as I said, the matter is sub judice. So therefore, sir, we have not...
Umbintri katana jengok kai berim kejela upak pol lingdok menta kesngi ulak kershan ya ke jingterwa ban pom yakiding na kebenta ke Shillong Ropeway Project. Ula ong bahaswa ban sedang ya kani ke project la penlong ya ke jing bishar benya ki badon kam bat la yoru ya ke jing menjer haswa ban penyat ya ka syakmat. Ula ong ba ya kani ke project la pen kreat kat kum ki kendon trekam ki badon kam kentup ya ke environmental impact assessment bat lawan ban bu ya umau nongrem da ke Presiden Jangkari India. Uba pol ula pensyai ru ba on ompom yaki dieng klem de bishar benya shwa. Ha ka ba on pom tang yaki to ki dieng ki bawit haki jaka batmu ban penyeng yaki tower Jangkar Ropeway. Ula ben rap ru da ka ba ong ba yakani ka Ropeway on shna kumba ka long hakari Switzerland but kan penmento yaki babun hakaliang ka let kawan bat kumjo kan kentiyo yaki kam jngok kai hanong ba Shillong.
Let's also not forget that this project has been created and modeled on the Swiss model, meaning the ropeway that you see in the Alps in Switzerland is exactly the model which the Shillong Ropeway project has been designed on. So with that kind of caliber, with that kind of technology which was applied while constructing the ropeway project in the Alps, that same technology has been modeled for Shillong Ropeway project. I hope that I am confident that the department would bear that in mind while executing the project.
Kajingtmu banchna ya kajaka teknyut hakashnong nong hali kalapoi shakabenta bakat do banyo ya kajing menjer halor ke environmental clearance. Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajalaba Kmi ya katanat Urban Affairs uba sneo bahalang dhar ula pentip hakamat kayeng dorbar tauan kajala maka yeng kashari Meghalaya High Court hakakat sauterik unaitung 8,000 rio kala ay ya karai ban penksan ya ka sarkar. Ubadhar ulaong baka sorkar menta kadang penlong ya kajingwat benya ban sngoto hado katno kani ka project kan kata ya kamaryang bat ban penkre ya kilat kilenti kumno banyada na kajing shakta ya kamaryang bat ya kani ka kaipot kan sa IT sha ka State Environment Impact Assessment Authority. Kung manchupan kinmao kajing slam ban pentre ya kani ka project kaday nakadaw bahap ban ya salok shwa bat kipat ba bat halor kajing sha mudoy mukot duma persya ya kani ka project. Lami ru kajing kali halor kajing ta jangka jaka teknyut kabadon menta hamarten ya kinong syong syong bat kamaryang. Hakaba nakaliang ubadhar ulaong bahadin balayo ya ka environmental clearance on sala bansyem tino ya ka jaka banchna ya ka jaka teknyut hanong halik nang ba onla banweng ya kajing halor kajing nang buon kinyut hamarten bat banchna pantamay biang ya kani ka jaka ban pinkuot ya kinyut katkum kajing Kajuk start science.
When or which year has the government started to search for new landfill sites for Shillong and for other towns?
With your permission, I need some time because it's a fact that the projects delay quite sometimes. The NIT was floated for the Shillong landfill on March 2022. And following the invitation that we have received phone numbers of landowners who participate in the process. And from these four, DC has formed a task force committee, which headed DC himself, and inspected all the 4 lands. And after the inspections and the report was submitted from this 4, Nohali landfills seemed to be feasible, which met the criteria as per the norms required by the department.
State President kaseng NPP ubalong ru usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tensong menta kasngi ulaong baka jing I no kam jong MP Berim ka Rajya Sabha ubalong ru unong yalam barang ba kaseng u Dr. WR Karluki kanumdan jingta ya kaseng NPP. Uba Tensong ulaong bakaseng kasngausi halor kani ka jing I no kam jong Dr. Karluki namar ba ulalong udukot balarim bha jong kaseng but ulalong unong no senyang shibun nakabenta kaseng NPP. Henry ulaong pat bakaseng kaburam yakaray jong Dr. Karluki but kamdan jing tip yaki dauten rai halor kani ka jing I no kam.
I feel bad because he has resigned. He left the party. In fact, he was one also of the founder of the NPP, but I can't do anything on his resignation since he wanted to resign. And then without any, even any reasons thereon. I don't know, but he said due to his personal reasons, so he would like to leave the party.
Kajala Meghalaya kalashim yaki senjam pentik na halor kajing shngan kajing bam dagaba penjur yakajing let jurap pale ikites haki laboratory but kajing penchitam yaki badie kajing bam kiba long shngan Menteri bakmi ikatanat kakot kakya uba wailat mikishala ulayat hu hakamat kayeng dorbar tauan kajala baka sorkar kan samang tingka biang sakumba R.5 tingka ban penklan yakarukam trekam ban wanra yakajing shngan kijing bam ulaong baka sorkar jala kala dep ban bu kumba kat laingot ki food safety officer but arpawengot ki nong tre hakaleng ki district ke State Food Testing Laboratory kala debru banshim yakumba katan rihajar spa prapu artali ki samples na do uyayong arhajar arpuwe hado uyayong arhajar arpun rio but lapenlong ru yakajinglet jurip yakumba lai hajar spa sanpun rio tali ki jaka hakini ki lai snem baladep.
And now, sir, Food Commissioner raid has two parts, sir. One enforcement and the another is technical, sir. And right now, sir, in the technical, sir, we have sent 5 more posts for to the MPSC, sir. We are awaiting for the result for the recommendation from the MPSC, and these are, sir, food analysts. Right now, we have contractual assistant analyst, chemist, assistant chemist, scientific. Assistant chemist is already filled. Scientific assistant. These are all one post, and lab assistant 1 post. Sir. So these are the human resource.
Lapenlongi ka training kam awareness cam halor ka Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2008 ampati mentakasngi. Yakani ka program Lapenlong Daka Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission ringkat ka jingetre lang bat ki Bor Penyat District ka Southwest Garo Hills. Kathong jong kani ka program kalong ban pensngaw tho yakipat ba nong syongshnong bat yaki nong tre sarkar halor ka jingdan kam ban pendep yaki lat ay jing shakri jong ka sarkar hakapor ka babyang bat da ka jing khwat jing suba. U Deputy Commissioner U Anandya Rachri ulaong bakipat ba nong syongshnong ki don yakahok ban yo jing tip halor ki lat jing shakri ba pair bat lada ki don ki nong tre sarkar ba penslam la ni bakentat ban ay jing shakri ki la ban pha yakajing ujor. La ay jing batay ru sha ki nong shia shimbenta halor ka MSP SDC online portal ka ba ay hadu kumba spa potali ki jat jing shakri kunthop halor ka sindrat ST bat SC ka income certificate bat ka jing register kerteng yaki nong rep an yo yaka ID na lor kiwe.
The public services that we are that the government is providing to the citizens, along with what are the legalities involved, the procedures about the portal also, and then the reporting of deadlines. Plus, we will also focus upon why this having a smooth public service delivery system is so important in the government setup. I understand that sometimes how difficult it becomes for the citizen to know where to go for a certain certificate or for a certain
Lapinlong ka district level science seminar halor kapang Indian Energy Basket 2047 Prospects and Challenges ha multi facility center kabadan ha Ampati Southwest Garo Hills. Ya kani ka seminar lapinyat da ka district school education officer Southwest Garo Hills pankintiu ya ka jingsngo tho halor ka sayan hapadeng ki khenna puli. Kani ka seminar kalapli lat ya ki samla puli banyakren halor ki jingdon kam ka India ya ka boarding na ka benta ka laway. Ki jing thamu jangkari na ka benta ka boarding ka banye hashwa usnem 8,000 saupunyo bat kiwe. Kani ka program kalapin shluru ya ki samla puli banya trailang hakalyang kasayan bat kumnu ban pindan kam ya ka boarding bat ka jingla ban pendap klem dak tapat ya ka laway. Kaseng KHASI College menta kasngi kala rakhe ya kasngi seng kabasan pulai jangka. Daki program bepair haka jaka jangka college kabadan hawaking jayao. Hakani kasngi la ya lumlang ya ki rio rangba jang kaseng KHASI kami kinong hikai kinong trey bat ki khenna puli. President ka college governing body uba Gideon Karmau Plang ulapin her ya kalama jangka college kat bala ai jingkren da secretary ka governing body Emeril Nongsiet vice principal Lawan Shishas Imyong Kongwer but na president in charge berem Dr. Herina Dotdong. Shushu kani kasngi la rakhe ya ka jingdap sanpulai sunem jong ka jing no senyang jong ka seng KHASI college sha ka puli puthi bat ka bha ka miat ki samla puli. Kidakot ka Vishwa Hindu Parishad Shillong kila lejngo ya ki jaka kaput hadauki kibadan hashilanter ka kaput India bat Bangladesh ban rakhe ya ka raksha bandan ha ka haringkat ki sipai jong ka border security force. Kidakot kantay jong ka VHP Durga Vahini kilate ya ki rakhi hakik sangti jong ki sipai BSF kum kadak ka jingburam jingyatali bat jingsngongo ya ki sipai ki ba ai jingyada ya kari. Hakani kasngi la penlong ru ya ki jing duway nakabenta ka jing shngan bat nakabenta ka bha ka myat jang ki bor pahara ki badan jangay na layeng lasem ban shakri ya kari. Ya ka raksha bandhan la jurakhe hakasngi bapulun banay jong ka shravan ka ba pini ya ka jing iet jing sngoret bat jing yada. Tungin ipet mentay ki kubor na kalengkari. Yaki arpuwengot kinong India ki ba nakajala Tamil Nadu layo ban pelat na ki jaka ki basyakta na ka jingshlay Nepal bat kilapoy ha Delhi minta kasngi hadien ba kilapoy ha Kathmandu henen kasngi. Unong aiktien katanat kambari uran dhir Jeswal ulaong balayo ban pelat ru yaki henry pulangot kinong India ki balatre ha Katrishuli 1 hydropower. Shusho ula benrap baki kandai pun riungut kinong India ki basakut ha China kila poisuk sa Nepal. Kat ba ki jingerap ki dangya chakamat.
First, good news. 21 Indian nationals who had yesterday arrived in Kathmandu from the area that was affected by this flood. They have today landed in Delhi. They have just landed. These 21 Indian nationals, they are from Tamil Nadu, and they arrived by Indigo flight which just landed in Delhi. Yesterday, our ambassador had met them in Kathmandu and inquired about their well-being. In addition to these 21 Indian nationals, yesterday I had informed you, we had given you an update about 63 Indian nationals who were working at Trishuli 1 hydropower project. They were also rescued yesterday.
But mintang in paipat siya ki kubor na kaleng kapertay. Ke United Nations kalapha ikilat jing yarap akirke shaka Nepal ban ai jing yarap shaki hajar ngut ki long yeng long sem ibala shakta haka jing shlei haka district nuwakat. Haka juk kapor nakadaw jang ka jing tuwa kando kala don biang ka jing lang haka benta jang ka kaput Nepal China kabala sedang banshlei hene kasngi. Haka ba kani kala wanra ka jing shep tieng bala pinsang ye shipor ki kam penlat ha ki jaka bashakta. Ka jing shlei ka bakirshan ka bakinsan kabadang shen kalashim kumba sauspa prapukandai ngot ki minsim briu ha Nepal bat san ngot ha Tibet ha kaba kumba shihajar ngot ki weipat ki dangja rangai. Kat ba ka Red Cross ka bu jingken bala don palat kandai puhajar ngot ki bala shakta.
UNICEF is on the ground. We're working with the government and partners to assess the situation, to understand what it is that children and families need, and to respond accordingly. But our priority first and foremost is the children, to make sure that they're safe, protected, and eventually able to recover from this disaster.
Behind every box being loaded today is support for children and families affected by the floods. We are dispatching pre-positioned UNICEF supplies, including hygiene kits and other essential items, to help children and families facing displacement and disruption.
Umintri rang badu ka Nepal ubalen Russia minta kasngi ulapan yat ya ka jingya lang jong kikin hun mintri hasingha dorbar Kathmandu ban kami banya ya ka jinglong jingman na ka jingja shlei kabadang shen jong kawa bhote koshi harasuwa. Hakani ka jingya lang lapin le jingmut ya nakabenta ki kam pelat ban ai jingarap ban penbiang ya ki yeng sa bashipor bat kiwei haki jaka ki bashakta naka jing shlei Ka sorkar ka lakmi banya aru halor ki jing pershang ki badang yai beteng ban ai ya ki shnong ki bashakta bat ban penbha biang ya ki jing te ki bala sha penjulor. Mentang ina pai shaki kubor ya lekai. Lapinlong ka special 5K run for fun ha Eastern West KHASI Hills menta kasngi kumshi benta ban rakhe ya ka National Sports Day 8,800 rio ha ka bala pinyat da ka District Sports Officer West KHASI Hills ha ringkat ka jingya Lang ka District Sports Promotion Society Eastern West KHASI Hills ha po kapang Khelega Bharat Jeetega Bharat. Ya kani ka jing mare la play perda da AEC El Murthong na DC office bat yatling ba ka sangshong bat lumso klur hashwa ban pinkut ha palaw jong ka DC office. Da ki spa ngut ki khana ki samla bat ki nongshong shnong ki lawan ban yashim benta ha kani kasngi. Ha kani ka program lakin ma buram ru ya klur ya lekai hockey Major Dhyan Chand ha ka linghu sngi kha jong Bat labanjur halor ka jing don kam jong ka jing yele kai bat ka kot ka khya. Timinta pat nginyapet ya ka jing long jing man ka sun beneng hakaleng ki benta jong ka jala. Hatura ka jingshit jingkriat ka bakiyo kalong laipu degree Celsius bat ka bahyar kalong arpusaw degree Celsius ka jingsngam ka haw minta kasngi kalong nyopu na kashispa ka jinghap slap kalong millimeter. Apapay pat siya nong ba shalong ka jingshit jingkriat ka bakiyo kalong 8 degree Celsius ka bahyar kalong katkanday degree Celsius ka jingsngam ka haw minta kasngi kalong hinyopun na kashispa ka jinghap slap kalong katsan millimeter. Kadba hajowai pat ka jingshit jingkriat ka bakiyo kalong 8 degree Celsius bat ka bahyar kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jingsngam ka haw minta kasngi kalong hinyopun na kashispa ka jinghap slap kalong katnyo millimeter. Kandan ka jinghap slap ka ba malumala ha ki babun ki jaka hatura shalong badjawai. Shwaban poish ka bukut jong ka tuk kubor nginyapit biang sa shisir nyikimat pakongsan. Penting na Menteri Rangba Kejala Ukon Rat Ki Sangma Kemat Kaying Dorbar Thau An Kejala Ban Penklan Ya Kedukam Trekam ke Cyber Security Haringkat ke Jingbu ke Disaster Recovery Site na Kabenta Katanat Ki Kampla Tingka Jang Sarkar. Ekran halor ke Jingpin Kre ya ki kinhun SF10 bat ke Jingkiu ki Jinglut Jingsep ban paharai ki VIP Haying Dorbar Thau An Kejala. Wan Pai Biang ke Jinglong Jingman ha Meghalaya Kumba Julong ong Menteri Ketenat ki Kampo Ying bat pentikna ya ki Nong Jungok Kai ba kalong Shngain ban Wan She Meghalaya. But one eye jing Kirshan ke United Nation halor ke jing Shakta ke Nepal na ke jing Jash lay Kinsan kabala wan ra ya ke jing Jarngai dati hajar mo kibriyo. Ti parlo katu ngilapoy siya kabukut jong katup kubwar menta ka janmiet hadu bangin de yashembyang pat pi la shai kasngi hakapwar hinyo baji janmiet kublay yapi baro.